In this video, I'll show you how to add different captions to each photo or video in an Instagram carousel post. If you want to make your carousel posts more engaging and give each slide its own caption, just follow these simple steps. First, make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version available on your device. Once you've updated Instagram, open the app and tap the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Next, select a post, and then tap the carousel icon to choose multiple photos or videos for your post. Select all the images or videos you want to include in your carousel and tap Next. You can now edit your photos and videos as desired. Once you're finished editing, tap Next again to continue. When you reach the posting screen, tap on the Add a Caption field. If the feature is available on your account, you'll see an option that allows you to switch between a single caption and multiple captions. Select Multiple Captions. Now you'll be able to add a unique caption for each slide in your carousel post. Simply swipe through the images at the top of the screen and enter a different caption for each photo or video. You can add captions to all slides or only to specific ones. Once you've finished writing your captions, tap Done or OK in the top right corner to save your changes. Finally, review your post and tap Share to publish your Instagram carousel. That's it. You've successfully added different captions to each slide in your Instagram carousel post. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more Instagram tips and tutorials.